The Igbo Women's Association inviting all of Hampton Roads to come out and take part in their cultural fundraiser and gala tonight for celebrating heritage, raising funds, and of course having a great time together. Joining me now with all the details, President of the Association, Ngozi Ozoh, and Trevina Jefferson. Ladies, thank you both for being here so much.
Thank you, Philip, for having us.
Yes. Ngozi, let's first talk about the association, what you do, who you are.
Okay. The Ngozi Women's Association of Hampton Roads, Virginia, is a predominantly women's association born out of a men's association called Igbo Cultural Association.
Okay.
We're 10 years old. Our main goal is to promote Igbo culture in the community, teach our children Igbo culture and tradition. And the Igbo, in case anyone does not know what that word means,
sure.
The Igbo people are an ethnic group from Nigeria, predominantly in southeastern Nigeria, 5 out of the 36 states in Nigeria. We are very industrious here in America. We have over 250,000 Igbo people in America. There's some prominent Igbo people, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, and the Director General of the World Trade Organization, Dr. Ngozi Ozoh. But here, we're made up of Igbo women of ethnic origin and Igbo women married to Igbo men.
One of my favorite parts of learning about new culture is food, obviously. We've got some food here. What did you guys bring for us? Thank you so much, by the way.
Okay, a taste of Igbo culture and food. So here we have jollof rice, which is mainly rice, sauteed in a lot of nice, spicy, tasty tomato sauce.
Do you mind?
Absolutely. Help yourself.
Looks amazing.
Yep.
So what are the spices predominantly we're talking about here?
Tomatoes, onions, peppers, bell peppers.
Okay.
And then you have a lot of seasoning, bay leaf, thyme, you name it. It's in there.
What else are we talking about
here? Then here we have goat meat.
Oh my gosh.
Goat meat.
Got to get in here.
Goat meat. That's predominantly Igbo.
How long
tastes good?
Cooking? Oh my gosh.
Let's just say we didn't spend too much time on it because we're used to cooking this.
It's tender, though.
Very tender, nice goat meat. Yep. And over here we have a very traditional Igbo dish called abacha.
Okay.
Which is shredded yam, sauteed with onions, peppers, seasoned. It's got some smoked fish. It's got some crawfish in it. It tastes really good. We call it African salad.
While we have time, I'm assuming this kind of food is going to be served at the gala?
Absolutely.
Okay.
This is just a taste of what you're going to get.
And talk more about the gala. What can you expect there? What you guys are hoping to kind of like accomplish that night? As I'm selfishly serving myself.
Well, our main goal is to fundraise to help support programs here in Hampton Roads and the Peninsula, and also in Igbo states in Nigeria, supporting women and children predominantly.
Okay.
But
what time are we talking? Time and date?
August 24th, 2024, at Hub 757 in North Suffolk from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay. Is there a website you want to plug where people can get more information? Because I know this is so quick.
What we would like for you to do is go to our Eventbrite site.
Okay.
And if you just type in Igbo Women, that comes up. Trevina here is our main publicity person. She can talk more about it.
I'm so sorry. I feel like I've completely neglected you. Thank you so much, both of you, for being here and sharing your food and your culture. So excited to hear more about this gala night, and I hope you guys have a great night.
Thank
Good
you,
luck.
and we're inviting the entire Hampton Roads.
Absolutely.
Please come out. We're looking forward to seeing everyone.
And as we go to break, I'm going to dig in here. Thank you both again. We'll be right back.
Thank you.